Hey guys, Ride Pro back. We got a 2012 Yamaha V-Star 1300T. This is the touring edition. You'll notice the windshield, the hard bags. It's a really nice bike. Got a sissy bar on it. It's getting a new rear tire. It'll be on in the next few days. Front tire's still pretty good. It's about 60%. This bike's stock pipes. It does have the crash bars on it and some aftermarket rear passenger foot pegs. These are nice and big. It's a beautiful bike. Big tall windshield here. The color is a dark gray, almost like a graphite in color. It does have aftermarket handlebars as well. As you can see, they kind of droop down a little bit. They're actually super comfortable. I rode this bike a couple times here, and it's got a really good position to them. I'm gonna fire this one up so you can hear it run. I didn't mention the miles. 8,839 miles. So just under 9,000 miles, which is nothing for this bike. Fuel injected, starts right up, no issues. Pretty quiet. Again, stock pipe. Can easily change that. There it is, guys. Any questions about this one, just let us know. We'd be happy to help. We'll be reached at 813-615-1700 or on our website at www.myridepro.com. If you're looking at this bike from out of the state of Florida and you need help with shipping or flying in, just let us know. We do that all the time. We'll pick you up at the airport, Tampa Bay International, for free and get you on your way. Also, we have discounted shipping rates all over the country. So if you're thinking about shipping it, just ask us for a quote. Thanks for watching.